real fake news. Christian Escamilla and his killer interviews. With philosophies and my poor dad's news. It's time for Dadurday Night. It's time for Dadurday Night. Da-Dur-Day Night. Da-Dur-Day Night. Da-Dur-Day Night. Da-Dur-Day Night. If I got some country music round the stage, the money of the show is laying ablaze. Feel the energy right out of the gate. It's time for Dadurday Night. It's time for Dadurday Night.